Hello, my name is Deidas Andrakaitis. Today I would like to tell you about advanced microfabrication workstation for high-tech applications produced by Femtika. Femtika is a spin-off company from Vilnius University Laser Research Center, a world-renowned photonics research institute, founded in 2013 in Vilnius, Sunrise Valley, Lithuania. We set out to commercialize ultra-fast laser material processing to support our vision of sustained growth through constant advancements of the technology. Our company is heavily research-oriented. As a result, more than two-thirds of our personnel are either researchers or engineers. We also participate in various national and international projects such as Horizon, Eurostars and Eureka, to name a few. Finally, we are active participants in various field-related organizations, such as Lithuanian Laser Associations or EPIC. One might wonder, why lasers? And especially ultra-fast femtosecond lasers? The answer lies in the vast tunability of processes which might occur when ultra-short pulses interact with materials. In fact, if the intensity is tuned from few to hundreds of terawatts in quadratic centimeter, any material can be processed. What is more, with the advent of new generation amplified femtosecond laser sources, all of this tunability can be achieved in a single, easy-to-use workstation. Femtika offers such solution capable of performing all the primary ultra-fast processing operations, including 3D laser lithography, selective glass etching, and various kinds of surface structuring and ablation. What is more, these technologies can be easily mixed and matched, allowing hybrid, additive, subtractive manufacturing with one laser system. The value brought by such approach lies in possibility to freely choose material and geometry best suited for a particular application. For instance, polymers can be doped with dyes and made into complex 3D mechanical structures for uses in microrobotics. Glasses offer unmatched mechanical robustness and optical clarity. And metals allow to have good thermal and electrical conductivity, as well as high controllable surface properties. All of listed capabilities are combined into one femtosecond laser workstation, which is called Laser Nanofactory. It is a user-oriented project with simple-to-use interface which allows a high-end user to exploit all the capabilities provided by the femtosecond laser processing. All the parameters of the system are controlled by the provided proprietary software 3D Poly. As a result, changing from one fabrication mode to another is a matter of setting parameters in the software and challenging the focusing optics. Also, the system is highly tunable, with the possibility to add additional functionalities such as spatial light modulation. This allows us to satisfy even the most demanding customers. Alternatively, the system can be used orientated for maximal throughput, allowing industrial scale use. With these capabilities in hand, Femtika made considerable efforts in penetrating key markets where such structures would bring substantial value to the customers. These include specialized sensors, high-precision micro-optical elements and photonic structures, biological scaffolds for cell growth and regenerative medicine, integrated medical devices for direct therapeutic or use for drug or vaccine development, and also various structures for photonic applications, which might include but are not limited to integrated micro-optics or various structured fibers. To bring maximal value to the customer, Femtika operates within the full research and developing process, starting with basic research all the way to development and installation. Research services cover creation of customer-specific solutions needed to accommodate their needs. Development stage is focused on improving the design and technology for mass production. Finally, during installation step, the technology is transferred to the customer, with specialized equipment being installed at the customer's facility. It is important to note that each of these steps can be performed independently from each other. Customer can choose to have only research services or can buy a complete system outright. Femtika's business model is flexible and tuned to best suit each user case. With that, I would like to thank you for your attention and encourage you to get in touch with us if you have any more questions or ideas how we can help you. Thank you.